Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm with Chad Anglin. He's our operations manager, and he's also a lean guru.
So our lean series, we've started, if you want to check it out on Indeed. We entered our lean journey in about 2010, 2011, and then over the past couple years, we've taken it pretty serious. So on our lean video series, you'll see some improvements that the team has made on the floor. You'll see some ways we've reduced or eliminated waste with our Kanban system, our Kaizens, and things of that nature. Most of ours is a team approach, and our guys on the floor are the ones that come up with the improvement plans.
Over my career here, which has spanned 40 plus years, I can remember when we were not getting out near as much material as we do today, but we worked a lot more hours back then, and now with the lean manufacturing going on, it has reduced time in our shop and put out a much better quality product, I think.
Absolutely. When I first started, we would come in, we would do about 20 to 30 skids. We would set 15 of them off to the side to go back and add product to it as it was done. Now we keep our stores full, so we know we have what we need to start the day.
Yeah, so it's been a fantastic journey that we've taken here at WireCrafters. Chad's done a great job over the past few years with it. So that's what we have this Monday. Look for us again on another episode of Mondays with Milt, but also check out LinkedIn for Chad and his lean series. It's really good.